Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 5 francs ng Western Africa. Meron taon na 1978. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. Tapusin lang natin ang video guys para malaman natin kung gaano kahalaga ang baryang ito guys ng Western Africa. The 1978 West African States 5 francs coin is a notable phase of numismatic history. It was minted in Paris and is composed of aluminum, nickel, bronze, weighing approximately 3 grams with a diameter of 20 mm. The coins features a design by Lucien Georges Basur, with the obverse depicting a gazelle's head facing forward and the reverse showcasing a taku, traditional Ashanti gold width, dividing the denomination. The mintage for this coin was 40 million pieces. So napakarami din pala ang ginawa nito guys, mayroong 40 million pieces. In terms of value, the 1978 5 francs coin is generally modestly priced, reflecting its relatively high mintage. Price can vary depending on the coin's condition. For instance, coins in extremely fine EF conditions have been listed of 11.95 euros, while those in the about uncirculated condition are around 5 euros. So medyo okay na rin yun guys, kasi sa 5 francs mo ay meron ding halaga pa lang 11.95 euros ang kanyang nakalista dito sa ating mga siling online. So magdepende rin yan guys sa kanyang kondisyon. The West African States of officially known as the West African Economic and Monetary Union comprises 8 countries that shares a common currency, the West African or CFA, West African francs. This coin is part of the standard coinage used across these nations during that period. Collecting such coins offers insight into the economic history and cultural symbolism of West African states during the 20th century. Yun guys, ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng West African coins. So medyo napakaganda guys, dahil mayroon silang mga ganitong mga itsura, kakaibang itsura din ito guys sa ibang mga barya. So bawat country mayroon talagang itinalagang mga mukha ng ating mga barya guys sa sirkulasyon. So iba rin yung mga fruit coins guys, yung pinili nila or special coins yun guys. So nandoon lang yun sa kanilang mga bangko. Pwede ring bilhin sa ating mga kolektor. Yun guys, napaka ganda ang ating impormasyon na nakuha tungkol dito guys. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.